Stepping into the fashion world as a petite woman can sometimes feel like a challenge, but not anymore. Understanding how to dress for your frame can transform your look, elevate your confidence, and ensure that your wardrobe reflects the real you. Here are some expert styling tips that I got specifically for short beauties. No matter your size, if you're below 5 feet 4 inches, then this video is going to be your fashion bestie. Hello beauties, welcome to Beauty with Brain. We will be discussing all the topics one by one. Vertical lines and small prints are your secret weapon. Look for tops with vertical detailing, like striped shorts, pinstripe suits. A seam that runs vertically down a dress or a pair of pants can also have this elongating effect. Vertical lines work wonders in creating the illusion of height, making them a must-have in any petite beauty style arsenal. Small prints like micro-florals, polka dots will enhance your appearance without being overwhelming on your petite body. Avoid wide strips and big prints as they can make the appearance look bigger and make an unbalanced look. Hemlines that look flattering on petite beauty. One of the best hemline lengths is just above the knee. This length allows more of your legs to be visible, creating a lengthening effect. Tops that end just above your knee is the key to a successful dress. A-line skirts and wrap dresses with a higher hemline are particularly flattering, as they add volume to your lower body without overwhelming your petite frame. For trousers and jeans, consider styles that end just above the ankle. This slight crop can make your legs look longer, especially when paired with shoes in a similar tone of your skin or pants. Asymmetrical hemlines. The uneven lines can create movement by creating visually interesting elements for your outfit, enhancing the perception of height. Also, make sure the longest part of the hemline should not be too long, or it might get overwhelming for your frame. Just above the knee can be a great option. High-waisted bottoms are the top must-have. High-waisted jeans, skirts, and pants are not just going to create the elongating effect, but will also make you look classy, stylish, and well-dressed. Pairing them with thug-in tops can accentuate the waistline even more, enhancing the elongating effect, and pairing them with asymmetrical tops to create a balance into the outfit. Make sure to get the high-waisted pieces that fit well around your natural waist. Too tight and it will make and look uncomfortable. Too loose and it will add bulk to your outfit. Did you know the length of your sleeves can impact your overall proportion of the outfit? For petite body, the best sleeves length is 3/4 or sleeves that end just above the wrist. They can be particularly effective in making your arms appear longer. If you have your favorite outfit with long sleeves or excessive fabric, then consider rolling or pushing them up to create a more balanced and neat look. Crop blazers or jackets that end around your waist or hips can create a more proportionate look, especially when paired with high-waisted bottoms. Tailoring is key. Get your clothes tailored, your pants on the waist part, shoulders, sleeves, and jackets. There's a saying of Hubert de Givenchy, "The dress must follow the body of a woman, not the body following the shape of dress." When wear your outfit, it should look like it was made just for you. If you don't like too fitted clothes, then consider emphasizing the waist. Also, sometimes you can't tailor everything, so just look for belted outfit PR, the one that cinch in your waist. You can always use comment section to get your doubts clear or to just drop your thoughts. When looking for belts, make sure to go for thin one, and better if you could find one as same color as your outfit. Shoes that blends with your skin tone or your outfit can create a seamless line. Heels are obviously great choice, but if comfort is your priority, then consider these type of shoes or pointed toe are also great option. When accessorizing your outfit, consider small handbags, delicate jewelry, and narrow belts. That was all for the video. Hope it was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Hope to see y'all in the next one. Take care.